Today I am going over what is, yes, a very simple process on any other type of phone, and what is still a very strange process on iPhone, but it's the same one we've always had, and it works. I've already shared with you a video of my ringtones, some of which I've included the actual audio files for if you want to install yourself. But the first thing we have to do is we have to download GarageBand. I know this is in the wrong orientation, but it's pretty big. It's going to be 1.6 gigabytes, but you can get rid of it immediately after you install whatever ringtones if you like, and you can always re-download it because it is a free app. And we're going to, as you can see, I've been making multiple takes of this. We're going to first open, actually, you know what, let's just open it right from the note. How about that? We're going to open this GarageBand project file that I prepared for you. This isn't a huge deal. This is important, might actually have to go to share and find GarageBand. Maybe that's not going to work. Figured I might as well do this live, right? All right. Let's go back to my songs. Okay. Well, let's assume that you don't see this here. Ultimately, what you can do is you can go to save to files, maybe. Save to files, and just save it in audio. Or make a new folder for that. I would make a new folder for that. And then find that folder you made, and it should be right there. And it should look exactly like this when we open up GarageBand. I know, bear with me. I know this seems like we're doing something ridiculously complicated, but we're actually not. Now, actually, let's go back to that note. And let's just do the same thing. I'm going to use silence as an example now because it's a little bit strange. Yeah, let's just tap on it. Go to the share sheet in the upper right. Save to files. And we'll also put that in audio. Why would you want a silent notification? Well, just if there's a type of notification or a person that you just never want to make sound, no matter what, it's really handy to have a silent option. There we go. So what I did is I hit Browse Items from the Files app, Silence, and now what I can do is drag this down here. And you'll want to, this project file comes with my devil saw notification, so you'll hear that. And to get rid of that, we're going to tap on this channel that you see highlighted there and delete. If you have issues with that, let me know. The way that it's set up, if you want to, you can fiddle around with some of the effects, but I've tried to set it up so that it's ideal for making a ringtone. And believe it or not, we're going to go back out of this. And what we're going to do is hold down on that ringtone utility file and hit share. And there we go. It's going to offer us the ringtone option. You can tap on that. And we're going to save this as silence. And I'm going to hit export. Now I can, right from this menu, for whatever reason, I can use it. I can go ahead and assign it to a contact. So let's say if I never want to get notifications from myself. There we go. I never want to get text notifications from myself. Now, it'll always be silent. I hope that makes sense. I know it's ridiculous. I'm going to try to do a step-by-step guide of what I just showed you in the note itself. But as always, let me know if you have any issues. All right.